Why is he? Now who's ready for some
Twin Toys Clubhouse?
Now let's do this.
Yeah, what's going on, Twin Toy Army? We are back. We got Eli, Liam, and Crazy Daddy coming at you with some more Little Nightmares gameplay. I think you guys liked the first episode. There's a lot of good comments there on the bottom, good feedback and everything. And he's got the baby teeth force fidget spinner, pretty sweet. Eli, show him yours. And the bow tie, they're busting out the bow tie. And I got the one, the LED one that just glows. See, look. I think you can see it's pretty good there. All right, you guys ready to play this?
Yeah.
You guys ready out there? But wait a minute, you forgot what time it is.
Yeah.
What time is it?
It's better.
Yeah, honestly, who doesn't love fidget spinner time? It's the most awesome time in the world. It's beautiful. Anyway, you guys ready?
Yeah.
You guys ready out there? Let's do it. Look.
I'm leaving this flashlight on.
All right, that's fine. Let's see what happens.
What's in there?
0. I don't know. Should we go in there or should we go upstairs?
First, let's check up here.
No, wait a minute. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh, there's nothing up here.
Except the door. Maybe we can open it. Hey, Brent!
Told you. Maybe.
Wait a minute. How about this? We can go up in here. Ha ha. Oh crap. Oh jeez. Troll man. See, we're in.
Why is something dropping?
Oh, look at that catch. Did you see that catch?
Go there to the key.
Look at that. There. That's what you get for. Oh. We're okay. We're okay. Oh, okay. That drop wasn't a fatal one. Now, what is this all about? It looks
Push
as if
it.
we can. Oh. Okay. Hello. Anybody here? Oh, see? There's the lock. Yeah. Oh my goodness. We're gonna get it. And we're gonna put this right here in the lock. Every time he eats those Wheaties, he gets stronger and stronger and stronger. What's this? Yes, I can open steel doors that are 20 times bigger than me. So we gotta launch this up there. Oh, look at that. Is this a good thing or a bad thing? Shh. Quiet. The monkey from Toy Story. Yes. And we're going down. And we're hiding. There we're down here below. Rats! Oh man. Oh, I'm not feeling good again. Guys, we're not feeling good. We gotta get something to eat. The rat! I found out these are save points. Watch, you light this lamp over here, and see the bottom right? Bam! Little eye shows up. That's a save point. I think the next room we're gonna have something to eat. Like rats. Ew. Okay. Maybe we're gonna eat this piece of meat that the rats were eating. Oh! Do you see this? Do you guys see this? Why is he? What? The long arms is back. The janitor. We need to get up. 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 Come on, I can't move. Wake up! We need to go. Get out. Get out. Get out. Use those weighty muscles. Look at them. Get out of here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. No. We gotta get out of here before the janitor gets us. Oh my gosh. Oh, jeez. Did you see that?
His blood.
Okay. He's so strong. Up. There you go. Alright, we gotta do the power of the X, right? Power of the speed boost. And go. And we slide. Woo! Oh, it crushed us! Can we swing it? Ah, look it! Swing Central. Here we go. And woo! Yeah! Yeah! Get it! How about? Oh, what's that? Ooh, that doesn't look very safe. What is that supposed to go up? Climb it?
No.
Yeah. Look at that.
No, Daddy, if you pull that thing down
No,
there,
we're good,
that
we're good.
door might turn in there.
We're good. Yeah. There you go. Anything that you light, it's a save point. Oh man, that's terrible. Okay. Turn this off. It's going. No, in. Yes. Okay, yes. Okay, that's how we were able to get past the door. No! Oh, that's disgusting. What is... Okay, he's pulling the rope. He's getting some paper. I mean, we need to have clean hands. He has to cut it because it's so thick. You can't pull all the paper off. Oh my goodness. This is just... Ew! What did he just wrap up? Yuck. Yuck. No. No. What up? Oh, rats. No, those are trolls. Do we need to save any more? No. No. Don't smell us. No. Yeah, you and your tall arms. No. No, 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 yeah, oh, he's moving still. This is bad. This is, put it on there. Okay, yeah. I'll play Ring Around the Rosie with you all day. Come on, boy. Ring around the Rosie. You can't get it because you got short legs, boy. What you gonna do, boy? I don't know where to go, boy. Oh my gosh! Get out of it! 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 Oh! Oh! You missed! What? You missed again! He's coming! He's coming! Crank it! Yes! Come on! Okay, we're good! Yeah! Woo! But hurry up and go, the arm could come down. Oh. Oh, we did it! High five, high five, high five. Ah! A lantern that we shall light for the saving process. I don't think we need to get up. That's another troll. See it? Here we go! You're free! You are free! Why is this one not running? Everything's okay. You can go. You are free. Oh, everything's okay. There's a big hug for you.
Maybe you just stay this way, Daddy.
You know what? I'm wondering if it's the opposite effect. I'm wondering if they're like, maybe you just stay still. I'm gonna try that this time. We're just gonna stay still. Let's see what happens. Wait a minute.
Go!
Wait a minute. No, I got an idea. Okay. This is bad. Maybe we're supposed to hide here.
Yeah.
This can't be the real answer. No! That was it! Do we push this? There's a lot of blocks in here. It's getting moved, but... Jumpy. Jumpy. Okay. Little secret hiding lair down here.
The
Oh,
guy.
there's a guy. There he is. It's the janitor. There he is. Look at this. Oh, he's got a bunch of monkey toys he likes to play with.
Maybe you can go over there. Go over there.
No, wait a minute.
That
Wait a
area.
minute. Wait a minute. That do. Okay. He's leaving. And we're going up. easy. Go, 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 go! Oh my! Tristan Armstrong can't get that high! Oh my! Oh my, yes he can! Oh! Come on, Wheaties. Oh boy, that's bad. That's bad. Making way too much noise. Way too much. Ah! Thank you. No, 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 no. Run for your life, run for your life, run for your life, run for your life, run for your life. Go, 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 go. Oh, push the door. No, push it. Why is it not? Okay, we're good. Books. Books galore. Books galore. Climb.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there's a piano up here.
Jump.
Hold on.
Jump.
Hey, jumping. Yes. And say when to jump. Jump.
Jump.
Okay. Come on, 6.
Oh no.
Oh my Jupiter. Neat. 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 Easy. Easy. Okay. Climb, 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 climb. I see.
Come on
I see a
there.
candle. Candles are
Come
good.
there.
Hold on. Hey boy, go get it. Yeah, you think you see something, don't you? Too bad you can't see anything at all. Look at you. No, wait, what's this? No, no. Arms. No. We're okay, we're okay, we're okay.
No. Hey, over there.
No, we're good. Yeah! Oh, we got the piece. Look at this. We're gonna put this back at the beginning. Oh, jeez! Oh, he's digging it. What is this? What's this?
Well, yeah.
Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah.
Oh, my dear. Ha! Okay, I guess that's close enough now. Yeah, about now. Okay, good. I know we're going to go up here, I guess. We're going to do turn in ultra cloud. Yeah! Oh! Yes. Thank you. No, excuse me. Why can't I? What's in there? Okay, so wait for it. Hi. Nope. Oh, there's 2 sides. I'm going to be right here in the middle. Oh boy, crouch. And I'm going to go. Okay, we're good. Oh no, this is bad. This is bad. Run. Yeah. Oh my.
Well, Daddy had to pull that thing off.
No. Hold on. No, boy. Nice. Good idea, guys. Are you gonna do it again?
Yeah.
Arm, strong, push it. Yeah.
We crossed his hands.
Good idea, guys. Guys, high five. High five. I like it a lot. All right, set point. Achievement unlocked. The Lair is completed. Yeah. Dude, guys, geniuses. All right, guys, well, that does it for this episode. You guys have fun?
Yeah.
This game's pretty cool, right? Hope you guys liked it. We finished the Lair, destroyed it. I think that's gonna be done with the scene of the janitor. Crazy arms. We cut his arms off, and he can no longer get us, right? It's pretty sweet, huh? All right, guys. Like always, if you like this video, make sure you smack the like button in the face. Oh. Just like how they did to me. It's gotta be that hard. All right, you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Hope you guys have fun out there. Okay, say goodbye to your friends. Bye.